Welcome to the new series on Sky One called The Urban Environment. In this series, we're going to be looking at the BMXer, which we have a fine specimen of here. We will be looking at the way he interacts and what the things he does. As you see now, he's trying to do a wheelie, I think, but he's failing miserably. Oh my god! The Care Bear man is stalking his prey. Oh god, the Care Bear has bitten him. Oh god, the BMXer is under attack. It seems to me that he's going to be killed. Preferably, the Care Bear bites into the neck to pierce all the air.
And I am the Sledger.
Oh my god, he got my eye! Oh Jesus! Oh my god!
You have no ears!
Oh my god, I got no ears, man! Oh!